How do household cleaning products affect the environment?
Household cleaning products can impact the environment in several ways. Many contain chemicals that, when washed down the drain, enter waterways and contribute to pollution. Some ingredients break down slowly and accumulate in ecosystems, affecting plants and animals. Understanding these effects can help us make safer choices for the planet.
Which chemicals are harmful in cleaning products?
Common culprits include phosphates, ammonia, chlorine bleach, and synthetic fragrances. Phosphates can cause algae overgrowth in rivers and lakes, reducing oxygen for fish. Chlorine and ammonia create toxic compounds in water systems. Synthetic fragrances and other additives may not fully break down, lingering in the environment and harming wildlife.
Are green cleaners better for the environment?
Many eco-friendly cleaners use plant-based ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals, reducing environmental harm. However, some products simply use marketing terms without clear standards. Look for cleaners that are certified by credible organizations or list all ingredients transparently. Using less product overall also helps reduce environmental impact.
What can I do to make greener cleaning choices?
Consider choosing products with biodegradable, non-toxic ingredients and avoid those with phosphates or chlorine bleach. Use only what's necessary and try homemade solutions like vinegar and baking soda for simple cleaning tasks. Properly recycle containers when possible. Small actions add up to make a significant difference over time.
How can I safely dispose of unused cleaning products?
Never pour leftover cleaners down the drain or toilet. Instead, check your local guidelines for household hazardous waste collection programs. These ensure chemicals are handled safely and do not pollute water or soil. Taking proper disposal steps protects both the environment and your community.